Morning, good afternoon, guys. This is James, giving you updates on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. As usual, this is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. So, guys, what I'm going to show you today is about the 2018 historical data during the 2018 bear market. So, this indicator that you are seeing in the chart right now is actually a moon phases indicator. So this green circle, solid solid green circle, is actually the new moon, and here where you see the white background starting from this point, this is the full moon. So pakita ko sa inyo guys yung price action on 2018. Let's go back. Okay, 2018 right here. So this is 2018 bear market. So I think what is happening right now is that because on May 31 we're going to have a full moon, which is actually similar to this one. Right here is actually a full moon in May 29 of 2018. And then I think 6 days later, 6 days later, we have it rallied for about 9%. So from here to here, if you measure that one, that's about 10%. So that this one is full moon and then a new moon. So halfway between the full moon and the new moon, it rallied for about 10%. So let's say guys, if that would happen again in this rally, so let's say for example guys that if the price of Bitcoin will rally to about 10%, how much it's gonna go? So the 10% is around here, somewhere around here in the 81,000, which coincidentally, this one is actually a 200 exponential moving average. So if you draw a line from here to here, you see this one here, guys. So maybe the price will rally and then stop in here. So there's a tendency that it could rally for about the 9 to 10%. So that's about 9%. So there's an opportunity to make money, especially for altcoin, because every time Bitcoin makes about 1%, other altcoins makes about 3 to 5 times of that. So 9%, you multiply it by 3, that's about 27%. So there is an opportunity to make a short-term money if that would happen. And I think, and also, I want to show you the Fibonacci of this thing. We stole at 618 Fibonacci level, which is a good support. So if you're going to make a short-term trade of this price pattern, you could put your stop loss here at 71 because 618 is actually a support. So if you want to short-term trade this like a past cash, you know, put a stop loss here in $72,000. So I mean, anytime that the price goes down below this point, that means you need to put stop loss so that you don't lose money. But actually, if this price of Bitcoin rallied to about 10%, you can make about, if you put like $10,000, you can make $1,000. And if you buy altcoins, you can make like $3,000 very fast. But you're gonna have to protect your losses so that you don't lose money. So yeah, so look at this chart, guys. This solid circle with a background, with a blue color background, that is the new moon. And here in the white shaded background is actually from this point is the start of the full moon, and going there is actually the new moon. Look at this one. So anytime you have a new moon, the price rally. See here, new moon, new price, new moon, new price, new moon, another price rally. So how many days it took for that? So there's about, I think, 15 days. Yeah, 15 bars. So about 2 weeks. So if we measure from here to this point, so we're talking about middle of June. There's a possibility that the price could rally up to the middle of June, but I am not counting on that one to be safe. You know, the best is actually when it gets to this resistance level. You need to exit so that you can book your profits and protect your the gains that you made. So that's all I wanted to share to you guys, and I talk to you later.